Hey guys, welcome back to Art Adventures. So today we're going to go ahead and get a second Earth Day drawing done. This one's going to be a pretty fun one. So go ahead, grab a pencil, pen, marker, and let's draw. All right, so our last one, we did a big circle, which is just a big earth, very basic, very simple. And then I colored it with my Ohuhu alcohol markers. Today we're going to do another circle, but we're going to do a little bit of a smaller circle up at the top half of the sheet of paper. So with that, that's going to be our earth, so we can go ahead and give ourselves our little detail. And it could be anything that you want it to be. If you want to make it look a little bit more like the United States or something like that, maybe that be Florida down there. Maybe make it a little bit closer than it actually would be. But there you have your African continent, Madagascar, some of the European, okay, some Asia showing over here, and then a little bit of South America, the Brazil area down here, some islands, maybe Cuba, okay, Puerto Rico over here, and then a little bit of North Pole, South Pole. All right, so now that we have our actual Earth drawn, we can go ahead and give ourselves a little bit more detail on what we're gonna do. And this is what I want to turn this into. And because of Earth Day, it's all about the environment theme. So I'm giving myself some flower petals, and we're gonna turn this earth into a sunflower. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up, catch up, and I'll see you in a second. All right guys, so I went ahead and got my sunflower drawn out. And now we're just gonna do ourselves a little bit of a stem. I'm gonna make it a little thicker. Okay, and then we're gonna do two very basic leaves. All right, that's pretty much it for the actual drawing itself. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself my background. All right, and now I'm not gonna go ahead and do the Ohuhu markers. I'm going to do oil pastel. I haven't used oil pastel in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and color this in. I'm gonna fast forward so you guys can see the end result, and I'll see you in a second. Peace. All right, guys, well, there you have it. There is your Earth Day sunflower. I like the color of the background that kind of really made these colors pop. The gray, but it still has like a green tone to it. And then that yellow really pops through with a little bit of darker tan and the little orange to kind of emphasize the leaves. The oil pastels are awesome to use because you get that blend. It kind of makes it almost look like a painting. And I really enjoyed doing the water on these, on this one, because it all just kind of blended together and kind of really made it look like it was moving. So it has that really good feel to it. So that one was fun. I'm gonna go ahead and get some extra ones for you guys as soon as I can. A little bit more detailed, a little bit more advanced drawings that we have planned for you guys. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.